Understanding school unity, a key concept for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very important and interesting phrase, school unity. This phrase is not just about words, but about the values and connections within a school community. So, let's dive in and understand what school unity truly means. School unity refers to the sense of togetherness, cooperation, and harmony among students, teachers, and staff within a school environment. It's about creating a supportive and inclusive atmosphere where everyone feels valued and part of the community. Think of it as a big family, where every member plays a significant role in maintaining a positive and collaborative spirit. School unity is crucial for a number of reasons. 1. Enhances learning. When students and teachers work together in a supportive environment, it fosters better learning. 2. Promotes respect. It teaches everyone the value of respect, tolerance, and understanding different perspectives. 3. Builds strong relationships. It helps in building strong and lasting relationships among peers, which is essential for personal growth. 4. Creates a positive environment. A united school creates a positive and motivating atmosphere that encourages students to excel. Fostering school unity involves several key steps. 1. Encourage team activities. Activities like sports, music, and group projects can promote teamwork. 2. Celebrate diversity. Recognize and celebrate the diverse backgrounds and talents of students and staff. 3. Open communication. Encourage open communication among students, teachers, and staff to understand and address any issues. 4. Inclusive policies. Develop school policies that promote inclusiveness and equality. I hope this video helps you understand the concept of school unity and its significance in the educational environment. Remember, a united school is a strong school, where every individual can thrive and grow. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.